have a question for you. Have you set your strike rate yet? Hi, I am Jennifer Jacobs with Strategic Mortgage Group, and I have a question for you. Have you set your strike rate yet? Do you know what that is? Your strike rate is the rate that is perfect for you if you are looking to refinance as these rates drop. It's the rate that makes sense. Once rates fall here, Jen, I want this rate. I want this rate here. If I get this rate, it makes sense to refinance. I want this rate. That is what a strike rate is. A strike rate is the rate that makes sense for you to refinance. And that is an excellent strategy as we go into this new falling rate environment. I just said that out loud. Falling rate environment. It's very exciting. Let me just give you a little more info. So we know rates are coming down. We know the Fed just lowered rates, but I got to bring it kind of up to speed here. The markets knew that the Fed was going to lower rates like 2 weeks ago. So the rates actually dropped a couple of weeks ago. Yesterday, on September 17th, when the Fed actually cut the Fed funds rate by 0.25%, the bond market, the mortgage rates, they didn't go down. Matter of fact, they kind of ticked up just a tiny bit. Today, we had another report that came out. It was initial jobless claims, and it was a little better than anticipated, which means that rates are going to tick up tiny bit, maybe tomorrow. So I thought you said rates were going down, Jen. Well, they are. Rates are going down. They just went down before the rate cut. So that's pretty exciting just to know that we're on the right side of this. The real key is, though, what is your strategy to make sure that you get the rate you want? Because rates came down a little bit in February and a little bit in April and then for just a few minutes in July. And other than that, we have not really seen any significant drop in rates at all. So what if they just blip down for a day? Do you want to catch that? Some people might. Some people, it matters enough that they say, hey, if it even touches this specific rate, I want it, lock it in. This is a great strategy going forward. And I would love to talk to you about what that strike rate is for you, what makes the most sense, kind of the sweet spot. And I also look forward to sharing more information as these rates do start to decrease. There's going to be all kinds of information to share, and I'm excited to share it with you. So talk to you soon.